Today on Action RC, I got Jim with us. Jim,
howdy.
What do we got going on here?
We have a Skymaster XXL Hawk. This has a Spectrum Synapse in it for control. Has a Jetsmans 210 for power.
And how is that working well for the plane?
It's locked in. It's just absolutely a no-brainer locked in. Even on a low gyro setting, it's locked in. For landing, you can go into high gyro setting, and it just sits there.
And you were saying that you just got this plane. How many flights have you had on it?
It's about 10 flights.
About 10 flights. And how many minutes of flight do you typically get with that you found so far, or that you're comfortable flying it with?
Yeah, the smoke tank is actually also a fuel tank. So I've got the timer set for 12 minutes, and I still have over half a tank left when I land. So it's perfect for jet events.
Right. This thing came in, and it's such a smooth landing. Phenomenal house. And then in the sky, she's just such a beauty.
It's just a baby. It's like a big trainer.
Now, is this your first one that's like this?
It's this big. I had a smaller Hawk before, but this has always been on my bucket list.
Nice. And I see all the detail that you got inside of the plane. When you got this one, was the cockpit detail already all done?
Cockpit detail done. Literally put in I bought it pre-built, so I literally just charged the batteries and went. So
with your smoke system that you have in here, on average, how much time frame can you run that smoke in?
Yeah, this one has the smoke system converted to extra fuel capacity. So I don't know about the actual smoke capacity when it's running, but I'd imagine it'd be definitely for the full flight.
Nice.
It's a big tank.
Thank you so much for being on Action RC, and you guys got to check out this flight. Also coming up at the end of April, first week of May, we have Jets over California here at Peg Field, hosted by Clovis RC. It's going to be a ton of fun. Go back and you can see all the previous stuff that we've had and we've covered for this event. Are you going to be here for Jets over California?
I will. I already have my spot reserved.
All right, awesome. Then we'll catch more of that there. And thanks, guys. Please like and subscribe, and let's get to the flight. Let's go.